Okay, for this video I will show to you about how to using Volumill 2-axis machining in ZW3D. For detail, let's go to started. Okay, the new version in ZW3D, we get a new operation, the name Volumill 2-axis. Okay, this is in work area for a sample product of for create using operation Volumill 2-axis, like this and like this. Okay, for now we start create new product, basic one Volumill. Okay, the first I will create product first. Okay, I sketch in this plan using rectangle operation, and then okay, change dimension. Okay, 100. Okay, then exit and extrude. Don't forget change the extrude type using symmetrical. Okay, and then profile using 25 for height, totally 50. Okay, and then I create sketch again and sketch in this face. Okay, and then using rectangle again for this one, then double click using, for example, using 40. Okay, exit, extrude again, but we use this profile, but for boolean we change to the remove, right? Okay, finish product for basic, and then don't forget, yeah, it's okay. Normally we use this product still. Okay, still product. Okay, go to cam. Okay, for template I don't use, we using default for template, and then this product, the first we set up for add stock. Okay, add stock. Okay, hide stock, and then I create a new profile for two strategy for create cutting this product. Okay, using sketch this area, and then using rectangle again. Okay, for way I use 0 for height 40. Okay, finish. Okay, okay, the first I using 2-axis milling or Volumill. Okay, we create profile. Okay, we create profile, advanced setting and face using this boundary. Okay, 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 this is using type part. Okay, for tools we use 10 flat end mill. Okay, don't forget to add hide dimension, hide register, georegister. Okay, finish. The first we calculate first. Okay, and then we get this toolpad for Volumill to axis, and then we change for speed is okay lah. We now use for this one is 25 because one step, yeah. For no the first change this one 3. Okay, calculate, and then for top and bottom, okay, calculate. Okay, back again to this for step down using 25. Okay, okay, and I show to you for solid verify. Okay, for motion I slow down. Okay, it started. Okay, oh sorry, very slow. Okay, again. Okay, sorry. Okay, okay, you can see. Okay, okay. But the problem is not good, right? So we must create this profile. Okay, and I only duplicate this one. Okay, and then I remove this profile for feature. I change again using new profile. Okay, okay, like this and this and this one. Okay, type up. Okay, calculate again. Okay, and solid verify. Okay, we start. Okay, 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 okay. This is one strategy. Okay, and second strategy, this is from the inside area for cutting. For if we use for outside area, so we can create new operation again, and we create profile piece first. Okay, this one. Okay, this one's 4 part. Okay, using flat angle, no, cancel, and create feature again, profile, this one. Okay, this is type content. So in feature we use two geometry, right? And I calculate. Okay, like this we get neutral path, and we try to solid verify. Okay, okay, good. Okay, for cutting from outside to inside, right? Different for this one. Yeah, up to you if you want to use this strategy or this strategy. Okay, okay, finish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube. Okay, thank you.